क्या तुम मुझे मिल सकते हो? कैन यू मीट मी? कैन यू मीट मी? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you return? When will you return? क्या तुम मुझे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand me? Can you understand me? तुम मुझे कब जवाब दोगे? When will you answer me? When will you answer me? तुम्हारे पास कौन से विकल्प हैं? What options do you have? What options do you have? तुमने मुझसे ये कब कहा? When did you tell me this? When did you tell me this? क्या तुम मेरे लिए समय निकाल सकते हो? Can you make time for me? Can you make time for me? तुमने किससे बात की थी? Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? तुम मुझे किससे मिलवाने वाले हो? Who are you going to introduce me? Who are you going to introduce me? क्या तुमने मुझसे कुछ कहा? Did you say something to me? Did you say something to me? क्या तुमने कुछ सोचा? Have you thought of anything? Have you thought of anything? तुमने उसे क्यों मारा? Why did you hit him? Why did you hit him? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम अभी क्यों नहीं गए? Why haven't you left yet? Why haven't you left yet? तुम मुझे क्यों देख रहे हो? Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? क्या तुम कुछ सोच रहे हो? Are you thinking about something? Are you thinking about something? तुम किससे डरते हो? Who are you afraid of? Who are you afraid of? तुमने ये पहले कब किया? When did you do this before? When did you do this before? तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? क्या तुम्हें मुझसे बात करनी है? Do you need to talk to me? Do you need to talk to me? क्या तुमने इसे देखा है? Have you seen this? Have you seen this? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तुम किसके साथ हो? Who are you with? Who are you with? क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ छिपा रहे हो? Are you hiding something from me? Are you hiding something from me? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? क्या तुम इसे खरीदोगे? Will you buy this? Will you buy this? क्या तुम मुझे याद करते हो? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? तुमने इसे कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? Where were you going? क्या तुमने खाना बना लिया? Did you cook the food? Did you cook the food? तुम किससे मिल रहे हो? Who are you meeting? Who are you meeting? तुम किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? तुम क्यों चुप हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? तुमने किससे बात की? Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? क्या तुमने मुझसे कुछ कहा? Did you say something to me? Did you say something to me? क्या तुम अभी भी सो रहे हो? Are you still sleeping? Are you still sleeping? क्या तुमने उसे फोन किया? Did you call him? Did you call him? तुमने ये कब किया? When did you do this? When did you do this? क्या तुम इसे पसंद करते हो? Do you like this? Do you like this? तुम्हें किसने बुलाया? Who called you? Who called you? तुमने उसे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell him? Why didn't you tell him? क्या तुम मेरे लिए काम करोगे? Will you work for me? Will you work for me? तुम्हें ये कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get this from? Where did you get this from? क्या तुम उसे मुझसे मिलवाओगे? Will you introduce him to me? Will you introduce him to me? क्या तुम मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? तुम कब तक सोओगे? How long will you sleep? How long will you sleep? क्या तुमने उसे सच बताया? Did you tell him the truth? Did you tell him the truth? क्या तुमने कुछ खाया है? Have you eaten anything? Have you eaten anything? तुम कहाँ छिपे थे? Where were you hiding? Where were you hiding? तुम कब लौटने वाले हो? When are you returning? When are you returning? क्या तुमने ये पहले देखा है? Have you seen this before? Have you seen this before? क्या तुम मुझसे सहमत हो? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you walk with me? Will you walk with me? तुम किसे ढूंढ रहे थे? Who were you looking for? Who were you looking for? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? तुम्हें किससे बात करनी है? Who do you need to talk to? Who do you need to talk to? क्या तुम इसे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand this? Can you understand this? तुमने मुझसे क्यों झूठ बोला? Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ सकते हो? Can you come with me? Can you come with me? तुम किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो? Who are you working with? Who are you working with? क्या तुम इसे कल कर सकते हो? Can you do this tomorrow? Can you do this tomorrow? तुम्हें कितने पैसे चाहिए? How much money do you need? How much money do you need? तुम्हें अपनी किताबें कहाँ रखी है? Where did you put your books? Where did you put your books? तुमने मेरी बात क्यों नहीं मानी? Why didn't you listen to me? Why didn't you listen to me? क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ कहना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something to me? Do you want to say something to me? क्या तुमने उसे कहीं देखा? Did you see him anywhere? Did you see him anywhere? तुम किससे बात करना चाहते हो? Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to? क्या तुम इस समस्या को हल कर सकते हो? Can you solve this problem? Can you solve this problem? तुमने अपनी कार कहाँ पार्क की? Where did you park your car? Where did you park your car? क्या तुम इसे अभी कर सकते हो? Can you do this now? Can you do this now? तुमने उसे क्यों मारा? Why did you hit him? Why did you hit him? तुमने अपना फोन कहाँ रखा है? Where did you put your phone? Where did you put your phone? क्या तुमने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? तुम अभी क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come yet? Why didn't you come yet? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell her? What did you tell her? क्या तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला था? Did you lie to me? Did you lie to me? तुम कितने बजे आओगे? What time will you come? What time will you come? तुम किसके बारे में सोच रहे थे? Who are you thinking about? Who are you thinking about? क्या तुम मुझे माफ कर सकते हो? Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? तुमने कब जाने का फैसला किया? When did you decide to leave? When did you decide to leave? तुमने इसे किससे खरीदा? Who did you buy this from? Who did you buy this from? क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ छिपा रहे हो? Are you hiding something from me? Are you hiding something from me? तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? क्या तुम अभी व्यस्त हो? Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? तुमने क्या महसूस किया? What did you feel? What did you feel? तुमने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? तुमने कब शुरुआत की? When did you start? When did you start? क्या तुमने इसे खरीदा? Did you buy this? Did you buy this? तुमने ये कब खत्म किया? When did you finish this? When did you finish this? तुमने किससे बात की? Who do you talk to? Who do you talk to? तुम्हें ये किसने भेजा? Who sent this to you? Who sent this to you? क्या तुम्हें ये मिला? Did you get this? Did you get this? तुम्हें ये किसने दिया? Who gave you this? Who gave you this? तुमने ये कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep this? Where did you keep this? तुम्हें किसकी परवाह है? Who do you care about? Who do you care about? तुम किसके साथ हो? Who are you with? Who are you with? तुम्हें किसकी जरूरत है? Who do you need? Who do you need? क्या तुम मुझसे सहमत हो? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? मुझे तुम्हारी राय चाहिए. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. मुझे तुम्हारी सलाह चाहिए. I need your advice. I need your advice. तुमने क्या सोचा? What did you think? What did you think? तुमने इसके बारे में क्या सोचा? What did you think about it? What did you think about it? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? तुम्हें ये क्यों पसंद है? Why do you like this? Why do you like this? मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care. I don't care. मुझे इसकी परवाह नहीं है. I don't care about it. I don't care about it. मुझे इसका जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. क्या तुमने सब किया? Did you do everything? Did you do everything? तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? क्या तुमने खाया? Did you eat? Did you eat? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुम इसके लिए तैयार हो? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? तुम कब घर जाओगे? When will you go home? When will you go home? तुम किस समय आओगे? At what time will you come? At what time will you come? क्या तुम यहाँ थे? Were you here? Were you here? क्या तुम वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? तुम कब आए थे? When did you come? When did you come? तुमने कैसे सीखा? How did you learn this? How did you learn this? तुमने ये कैसे सीखा? How did you learn this? How did you learn this? क्या तुम मुझे समझा सकते हो? Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? मुझे देखना है. I have to see. I have to see. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ चलना है. I have to go with you. I have to go with you. मुझे वहां जाना है. I have to go there. I have to go there. मुझे यहाँ इंतजार करना है. I have to wait here. I have to wait here. मुझे यहाँ से जाना है. I have to leave from here. I have to leave from here. मुझे वापस जाना है. I have to come back. I have to come back. मुझे जल्दी वापस आना है. I have to come back soon. I have to come back soon. मुझे आज जाना है. I have to go today. I have to go today. मुझे तुरंत जाना है. I have to go right away. I have to go right away. क्या तुम मुझे सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? क्या तुम ये देख सकते हो? Can you see this? Can you see this? तुम बहुत तेज बोलते हो. You speak very fast. You speak very fast. मुझे मदद चाहिए. I need help. I need help. मुझे थोड़ी मदद चाहिए. I need a little help. I need a little help. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. मुझे इसकी आवश्यकता है. I need this. I need this. मुझे कुछ और चाहिए. I need something more. I need something more. मुझे कुछ नया चाहिए. I need something new. I need something new. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? तुमने ये कब कहा? When did you say this? When did you say this? क्या तुम मुझसे प्यार करते हो? Do you love me? Do you love me? क्या तुम मुझे पसंद करते हो? Do you like me? Do you like me? मुझे आशा है कि तुम ठीक हो. I hope you are fine. I hope you are fine. तुमने कितने पैसे दिए? How much did you pay? How much did you pay? मुझे ये सही लगता है. This feels right to me. This feels right to me. मुझे ये याद है. I remember this. I remember this. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. तुमने क्या सोचा? What did you think? What did you think? मुझे इसका जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है. I need you. I need you. मुझे कुछ समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. तुमने कब शुरू किया? When did you start? When did you start? तुमने ये कब किया? When did you do this? When did you do this? क्या तुमने खाया? Did you eat? Did you eat? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? तुम्हें किसकी जरूरत है? Who do you need? Who do you need? तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? मुझे इसके बारे में बताओ. Tell me about this. Tell me about this. मुझे सब कुछ बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. मुझे यकीन है. I am sure. I am sure. तुम कैसे पहुंचे? How did you arrive? How did you arrive? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. I am not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry. क्या तुम्हें समय मिला? Did you get time? Did you get time? मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. तुमने ये कहाँ रखा? Where did you keep this? Where did you keep this? तुम कब शुरू करोगे? When will you start? When will you start? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? तुमने ये कहाँ रखा? Where did you put this? Where did you put this? क्या तुम मुझसे प्यार करते हो? Do you love me? Do you love me? मुझे तुम्हारे साथ बात करनी है. I want to talk with you. I want to talk with you. तुमने किससे बात की? Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? क्या तुम मुझसे सहमत हो? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? तुम्हें किसकी परवाह है? Who do you care about? Who do you care about? मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. क्या तुम यहाँ थे? Were you here? Were you here? तुमने कैसे सीखा? How did you learn? How did you learn? क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? क्या तुम्हें कोई परेशानी है? Do you have any problems? Do you have any problems? मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. तुमने इसके बारे में क्या सोचा? What did you think about it? What did you think about it? मुझे थोड़ा आराम करना है. I need to rest a bit. I need to rest a bit. मुझे कुछ समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. तुमने क्या सोचा? What did you think? What did you think? मुझे तुम्हारा उत्तर चाहिए. I need your answer. I need your answer. मुझे तुम्हारी राय चाहिए. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? तुम बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. You are doing very well. You are doing very well. तुम बहुत मेहनती हो. You are very hard working. You are very hard working. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. मुझे पानी चाहिए. I need water. I need water. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. तुम बहुत तेज बोलते हो. You speak very fast. You speak very fast. क्या तुम सुन सकते हो? Can you hear? Can you hear? तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? क्या तुमने सब किया? Did you do everything? Did you do everything? क्या तुम मुझे समझा सकते हो? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? मुझे यहाँ से जाना है. I have to leave from here. I have to leave from here. क्या तुम सुन सकते हो? Can you hear? Can you hear? तुमने ये कब किया? When did you do this? When did you do this? मुझे जल्दी वापस आना है. I have to come back soon. I have to come back soon. क्या तुम इसे देख सकते हो? Can you see this? Can you see this? So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.